Have you ever arrived at a campsite hungry, only to spend the next 20 minutes struggling with a weak camp stove that takes forever to boil water and barely handles more than one pan at a time? If you've been there, you already know that outdoor cooking can quickly become frustrating when your gear can't keep up. That's exactly why this portable propane stove caught my attention. Today we're taking a closer look at the Gospowor 2-burner propane stove, a portable outdoor cooking setup designed for campers, tailgaters, RV travelers, backyard cooks, and anyone who wants a reliable cooking station away from home. What makes this stove interesting is its combination of dual burners, built-in ignition, wind protection, and compatibility with both small and large propane tanks. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the stove feels practical rather than flashy. The stainless steel construction gives it a durable feel, and it's clear this was designed for outdoor use instead of occasional backyard cooking. The suitcase-style design folds neatly for transport, and the built-in carrying handle makes it easy to move from your vehicle to a campsite or picnic area. One feature I immediately appreciated is the foldable wind guards. They're simple, but they make a noticeable difference when cooking outdoors, especially on breezy days when weaker stoves tend to struggle. The overall layout is straightforward and beginner-friendly. The controls are easy to understand, and the two burners provide enough space for preparing multiple dishes at once. Instead of waiting for one pot to finish before starting another, you can boil water on one side while cooking breakfast, soup, or grilled food on the other. The included griddle adds extra flexibility and makes the stove feel more complete as an outdoor cooking solution. When it comes to performance, this stove delivers the kind of power most campers actually need. The 20,000 BTU total output provides enough heat for common outdoor cooking tasks without feeling underpowered. Water heats reasonably quickly, meals cook evenly, and the independently controlled burners allow you to use different temperatures simultaneously. That's particularly useful when one dish needs a rolling boil while another requires a gentle simmer. Another feature that improves everyday usability is the built-in piezo ignition system. Not needing a separate lighter or matches may sound like a small detail, but when you're setting up camp after a long drive, convenience matters. A quick turn and click gets the burners going with minimal effort. The flame adjustment knobs also offer good control, making it easy to transition from high heat searing to slower cooking. In terms of maintenance, the stove is relatively easy to live with. The removable grates simplify cleanup, and the stainless steel surface wipes down without much hassle after cooking. Like most outdoor cooking equipment, it's not completely maintenance-free, but keeping it clean doesn't require much effort. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. While the stove is portable, it's not ultralight backpacking gear. This is better suited for car camping, RV trips, tailgating, emergency preparedness, and backyard gatherings rather than long-distance hiking. Also, propane tanks are not included, so you'll need to purchase fuel separately before your first trip. Compared with many portable 2-burner stoves in a similar price range, the Gospowor stands out because of its dual propane compatibility. Being able to connect either a compact 1-pound cylinder or a larger 20-pound tank gives users more flexibility than many competing models. Combined with the included griddle, wind guards, and ignition system, it offers a well-rounded package that feels thoughtfully designed for real-world outdoor cooking. Overall, the Gospowor 2-burner propane stove does a solid job solving some of the most common outdoor cooking frustrations. It's powerful enough for family meals, versatile enough for different cooking styles, and portable enough for most outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a dependable camping stove that balances performance, convenience, and value, this is definitely one worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.